going to be the best pancakes ever, aren't they?
Yeah.
I'm hoping we can flip them. Well, I won't get.
Should I try to flip
No,
it?
not yet. Not yet. Wait a minute.
Looks like a real pancake.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Bubbles.
What are those? Gently, alright? Move your hand back across. Don't touch anything, promise?
What it is? What is that for?
Put your tune in, see? And it's cooked. It's not quite cooked enough yet. Alright, just trying to stop it from sticking. Oh, that's alright. Oh, so there's no top on that, do you want to tip it?
Do we need flour?
No, just sugar, leave it there, leave it there. Right, when that side's cooked, we can toss it now.
What? How do they do that?
Oh, magic, just magic.
That's your fancy.
No, I'll show you now. It's very dangerous fire, you see, Kira, you know you'll burn.
You know what?
Auntie Jackie got a lot of burn down here. Yes, yeah, because she caught fire. Yeah, when she was little, like when she was your age. Yeah,
What did you do?
went to the fire. Went by the fire.
Why?
But she don't know, she's probably a silly girl.
Is it cooked yet?
I don't know, let's have a look, stand back.
Is it?
Not quite.
Can I try?
Yeah, we're gonna. Let me cook that side first and then we can toss it.
Oh no, you got it.
Well, it doesn't matter, it's a bit of fun.
Is it okay if I chocolate?
It doesn't, yes, it doesn't matter, it's not the end of the world. Right, go on then.
I can do it.
Right. And I'm going to hold it with you. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Right. Want to do it again? Right, don't put your hand anywhere else, mind? 1, 2, 3. Right, let's put that back to cook a bit. Right, I'm going to tip it onto the plate there now. With the spoon. Right. What I want you to do, here, a little bit of sugar. Right? Got a bigger spoon for you now.
Can I go on?
Yeah. You got it in your hand, the bigger one. Yeah.
And?
No,
I don't.
like that. Just put a little bit of sprinkle of sugar over there. Right, not a lot of sugar. Right, just sprinkle it all over. Yeah, there's sugar left. Right, come here. Right. So one done.
I'm making it work.
Put a bit of oil in there, only a little bit, mind, and don't touch the frying pan. That's enough? Good girl. Wait, wait.